Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone model and OS version because menus differ. Open Settings and go straight to Connections or Network options. Look for Airplane Mode toggle. Once done, check battery or power settings to ensure scheduled power saving isn't forcing airplane mode. Make sure you are signed in to any device management account if a work profile exists. Finally, keep the device unlocked and a stable network active. This prevents auto transitions while you change settings. You now focus on the middle steps. Disable airplane mode manually and confirm both Wi-Fi and cellular radios reconnect because some phones separate them. Then open Profiles or Device Management. If a work MDM enforces airplane mode, remove that profile or request policy change. Make sure automation apps like Shortcuts, Tasker, or vendor routines aren't toggling airplane mode on triggers. Disable rules or adjust triggers. Once done, reboot the device to apply changes and recheck connectivity to ensure stability. You finish by rebooting and testing. Toggle airplane mode several times and observe whether it reactivates by itself. If it does, reset network settings to clear cached configs. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings. Make sure to back up important data. If the problem continues, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is the culprit. Uninstall recent apps that control networks. One key troubleshooting tip: if safe mode stops the issue, the cause is an app, remove it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.